Number system. Solve. If the answers are not rational, keep them in a root form. First one, x square equals to 54. So number A, x square equals to 54. If we make a square root both sides, x equals to root 54. But this 54 we have to make some reduced format, like we know 9 times 6 what is a 54. Now look, 9 is a perfect square, so this one we can write 9 times 6. Now root 9 times root 6, this one we can write, because root AB it means root A and times root B. So root 9 it will be 3 and here is root 6. Look, this question already mentioned if the answer are not rational. So root 54 is not a rational number. So we are making this one a root format, which is 3 root 6. So our answer is x equals to 3 root 6. Very simple. Number A done. Number B, here is 3n square equals to 147. So first we can divide both sides by 3. So n square equals to 147 by 3. 147 divided 3 is a 49 and this is n square. Now we make square root both sides. So n equals to 7. 7 is a rational number. That's why we can write number B, n equals to 7. Very simple. Number C, here is z cube equals to 64. Now z cube equals to 64, here 64 we can write, here is z cube, 64 we can write 4 cube, right? We know as per law of indices, if a to the power m equals to b to the power m equals to a equal b. Why? Because once power equal, that time base will be equal. So here z equals to 4, our answer. So z equals to 4. Very simple. Number 9, actually not number 9, our second question, but I got it from another one. Where is this one? Is number 9. So write the repeating decimal 0.71. It's a repeating decimal. We have to make this one as a fraction, 0.71, and in here is bar. It's a simple format. First this one is 71, after decimal repeating this, after decimal here is two numbers, 7 and 1 both are decimal, so 2 9 and 7 1, here is 0, because without 7 1 here is no number. So we can say this one is 71 by 99 and this is our answer. Let's say another question like 1.271 and here is bar. This one we can write, look, 7 and 1 is this repeating number, so 9 and 9. These two after decimal, this 2 is not a repeating number, so against this one we can write 0. Now we will write all the number 1 2 7 1 minus repeating number out, so 1 and 2 available. Then here is 9 2, so 7 minus 2 is a 5, and then 1 2, then 9 9 0. So this is our answer. So no more today. We are trying to solve lots of math in this video, which is very important for our exam practice. and you should keep practice at home. These kinds of math should come in exam. Therefore, without practice we have no option. My channel name is Mathjip. I hope you subscribe this channel and share with your friends, because from this channel you will get lots of things. Thank you.